In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Dropbox for any inquiries or support needs you might have. Whether you're encountering an issue, looking for answers, or just need to reach out for help, navigating the support system can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. But fear not, by the end of this session, you'll be equipped to get in touch with the Dropbox support team swiftly and efficiently. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your preferred internet browser and type in dropbox.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to appreciate the design and user interface. Dropbox has made it quite intuitive. To proceed, you'll need to scroll down through the home page. As you make your way down, keep an eye out for a link or button that says Contact Us. This shouldn't be too hard to find, but remember, web designs can change, so it might not be in the same place as it used to be. Take your time, and once you've spotted it, give it a click. Following that click on Contact Us, you'll be taken to another page. Here, the focus narrows down to actually getting the support you need. This page is designed with customer support in mind, so you're now one step closer to getting answers. Your next move is to look for and select the option that says Contact Customer Support. This link is your gateway to reaching out directly to the Dropbox team. Again, changes to the layout may happen, but this option is usually prominently displayed because, let's face it, this is what many users are looking for. Upon clicking Contact Customer Support, you'll likely be prompted to log into your account. This is an essential step because it helps Dropbox identify you and your account, making it much easier to assist with any specific issues or questions. Look for the Login button or link to proceed. If you're already logged in, you might bypass this step, but it's good to know in case you're helping someone else or using a different device. Now, during the login process, you might encounter various options to proceed. One of the simplest and most efficient ways, especially if you have a Google account, is to use Continue with Google. This option allows you to bypass creating or entering Dropbox specific credentials if you're using the same Google account linked to your Dropbox account. It streamlines the process and gets you one step closer to contacting customer support without the hassle of remembering another password. By choosing to continue with Google, you're leveraging a secure, fast and reliable method of logging in, not just for Dropbox but across many platforms. It's a testament to how interconnected services have become, simplifying users' digital lives. Once you've successfully logged in, you're essentially at the doorstep of Dropbox support, ready to articulate your need or issue. Here are some additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. Be clear and concise about the issue or question you have. It's helpful to have any relevant details or documents at hand, such as screenshots of the issue, any error messages or documentation that supports your inquiry. This preparation can significantly expedite the support process, leading to faster resolutions and answers. Remember that customer support is there to help you, but like any communication, clarity, patience, and politeness go a long way. The person on the other end is doing their best to assist countless users, and a friendly approach can make the process more pleasant for everyone involved. In conclusion, contacting Dropbox support might initially seem daunting, but by following these straightforward steps, you'll find it's quite manageable. From navigating to dropbox.com, finding and selecting the Contact Us option, choosing Contact Customer Support, logging in and opting to continue with Google if it suits you, you're well equipped to reach out and get the support you need. Whether you're facing a technical glitch, seeking answers to a billing query, or need guidance on using Dropbox more effectively, the support team is just a few clicks away. And now with this guide, those clicks are even easier to make. Thank you for watching, and here's to a swift resolution to your Dropbox inquiries.